As a bridge between autumn and summer, the month of September symbolizes transition. It is a time to embrace change and prepare for new phases.
August slipped away, and so did my will to live. Just kidding, or am I? Hello everyone, my name is Smriti and I love to read, buy and talk about books. इतना तो आप सबको अभी तक पता चल ही चुका होगा. Well, the last 2 months were something. Like, they were total blur for me. I tried to survive. I tried to be happy. I spent more money than I earn. I basically started living at Starbucks. I managed to drag myself to gym every single day. I even managed to squeeze in some study sessions, and somehow, between all this hustle, I managed to read some really good books. We will be talking about them, but before that, let's do a quick book review. Okay, so I want to start with Frida McFadden, of course, my queen, my love. फ्रीडा मैकफेडन. अगर मैं कभी कभी सोचती हूँ कि अगर मैंने कभी फ्रीडा मैकफेडन की बुक ना पढ़ी होती अपनी लाइफ में तो मैं आज कहाँ होती. I mean, I would have missed out on so many great things. Talking about The Tenant, I have read better Frida McFadden books. This was my raw reaction when I finished reading this book. कुछ कमी थी इसमें कुछ मिसिंग था और मुझे भी नहीं पता क्या मिसिंग था, but इसमें and I have read better Frida McFadden books. So if you're new to Frida McFadden, please don't start with this one. And if you're someone like me और तुमने बहुत ज़्यादा Frida McFadden की books पढ़ रखी हैं तो this one will not surprise you at all. I mean, there was one element that did surprise me at the end, but other than that, I mean, obviously it kept me hooked throughout, and obviously I wasn't able to put it down जैसा सारी Frida McFadden की books के साथ होता ही है. But other than that, it's nothing special, it's nothing out of the blue, it's nothing extraordinary, so you can skip this book if you want to. The next book that I'm going to talk about, I read it on my Kindle. The book that I'm talking about is Don't Let Her Stay. I started this book before going to bed, and obviously I didn't sleep. I slept only after finishing it. So you know those kind of thrillers that keeps you hooked from page 1? Yeah, this was one of those. You should definitely read this one. Like, it's one of the best thrillers I have read. I gave it 4 stars, but I think I should give it 4.5. It was that good. I don't want to spoil it for you by saying much, but it's just about a woman who is living her perfect life with a perfect husband and her perfect daughter, but then suddenly her stepdaughter comes into the house and things start getting messy around the house, and she just wants her stepdaughter out of her house, but that isn't going to happen anytime soon. So yeah, that's it, your basic thriller story. But this thriller is not so basic. The twist at the end will make you go like, why would she do that? Next up, we have the best series I have ever read. One of the best series I have ever read in my life, and one of the best books I have ever read in my life. And my favorite book of 2025, Once Upon a Broken Heart series by Stephanie Garber. I still haven't read the third book, but just so you know, if you really love me, please go and read this series. You are not going to regret it. When I read this book on my Kindle, Don't Let Him In. And you know, for me, it wasn't just a story about an intruder. It was about how trust can be so fragile even in the most intimate spaces. It made me realize how much of our lives depend on assumptions and how terrifying it is when those assumptions are wrong. So yeah, this is it. Now let me show you guys my shopping trip and then haul. But please अभी वीडियो ख़त्म मत करना, क्योंकि उसके बाद मैं कुछ बहुत ही एक्साइटिंग सरप्राइज दूंगी आपको एट द वेरी एंड ऑफ दिस वीडियो.
दिस इज़ माई आउटफिट ऑफ द डे. पीछे से मैंने इसे ऊपर किया है क्योंकि पीछे से इट्स वेरी, देखना, आई मीन आई डोंट लाइक दिस. पीछे से बड़ा है, आगे से छोटा. मुझे ऐसे अजीब से कपड़े पसंद नहीं आते हैं, सो इसको मैं अंदर टक इन करूँगी अभी. बट दिस इज़ माई आउटफिट ऑफ द डे.
हाय, सो आई गॉट रेडी टू गो आउट और टू शूट, बट अब मेरा दोनों में से कुछ भी करने का मन नहीं कर रहा है. आई डोंट नो व्हाई. आई एम जस्ट लाइक दैट. मैं तैयार होती हूँ, मेरा कहीं जाने का मन करता है, और तैयार होते होते मेरा मन करता है कि मैं ना जाऊँ. तो इट्स लाइक अ वेरी बेसिक थिंग दैट हैपन्स विद मी अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम. बट नाउ आई जस्ट वांट टू क्लीन माई रूम. तो आई गॉट दीज न्यू बेड शीट्स फ्रॉम वेस्ट साइड, and now I think it's finally time to give my bed a makeover. I got these for only rupees 999, by the way. Let's put these on. पहले से साफ करना पड़ेगा थोड़ा. And he said it's supposed to be fun, turning 21. I don't know about you, but I'm feeling 22. Everything's gonna be alright if You keep me next week. I've got so many new parcels to show you guys. Jaldi, I will unbox them and will definitely, share the whole unboxing with you guys. I already feel so much better.
राइट्स यूएसए से हम लोगों ने लिया बिल ऑफ राइट्स यूएसए, लेकिन ये इनका ओरिजिन हुआ
I have everything I need. My current treat, a new book, my lip gloss and my matcha.
It's like not a lot of people can say that. I mean, like when you know, right?
Hey everyone, happy Thursday. So I didn't get a lot of time to film anything on Wednesday. I actually felt sick, तो मुझे ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं मिला कुछ भी करने का. I was just on my bed whole day, lying on my bed, जो मैं रोज़ ही करती हूँ. कोई नई बात नहीं है. Okay, so today I need to go shopping cause I have this brand event in another city. I'll let you guys know that later where I'm going. सब कुछ बताऊंगी मैं, हम कहाँ जा रहे हैं, किस चीज़ के लिए जा रहे हैं. So I need to buy a dress for this event. I'm going there with my sister. Also अभी मुझे ज़्यादा कुछ पता नहीं है इवेंट के बारे में. इट्स जस्ट अ राउंड टेबल कॉन्फ्रेंस काइंड ऑफ थिंग. वी आर क्वाइट लेट. हर बार इसकी होने वाली है. सो आई थिंक वी शुड जस्ट गो. आँखें इतनी ज़्यादा रेड क्यों हो रही है यार. I like this one. I think I found the dress. Huh. Now we are at West Side. From H&M to West Side real quick. Yeah. You. Everything is so good.
right. Some hair care.
I think looking at my videos, sometimes you might assume that I have the perfect life. ये होता ही obviously we go to social media for an escape. हम देखते हैं वहाँ पर like everyone is living their best lives. They are going out every day. They are going for shopping every day. They are going to Pilates. They are having their matcha. But you know, this is not real life. I mean, I can speak for myself. This is not even 40% of my life. 40% भी नहीं है मेरी life का. I think this is like 30% of my life. I only show you guys less than 30% of my life. बाकी शायद आपको पता भी नहीं होगा मेरी लाइफ में क्या चल रहा है. And it is not because I am hiding it. It's just I want to keep some things to myself only. You know, कुछ चीज़ें मुझे बताना नहीं अच्छा लगता. I go out every single day. Not every single day, but yeah, I go out like 4 to 5 times in a week. And I drink coffee every day. I do shopping. ये मेरे एक दिन का 24 hours में से सिर्फ 3-4 घंटे हैं. उसके अलावा जो मेरे 20 आवर्स हैं उसके बारे में शायद आपको पता भी नहीं है कि मैं करती क्या हूँ. So when you watch this vlog now, or whenever you watch someone's aesthetic vlogs or scroll through their perfectly curated aesthetic feeds, know that it's just a part of someone's life, not their whole life. So please never compare your behind the scenes with someone else's highlight reel.
Hi, I'm back from the gym, so let's do a quick haul of everything I bought today. These are the 2 bags that we have. Let me just start with this one first. Yes, so this is the first thing that I got. Some hair rollers. We have 6 of these here. I also got this serum for my very frizzy hair. Our West Side haul. I got this dress for my sister. I mean, my sister got this dress for herself. I only paid for it. So ये ड्रेस खरीदी है उसने. It was actually looking very good on her. वो बहुत ही अच्छी लग रही थी इसमें. We also have a belt situation going on here. ये ड्रेस है. Next we have these sandals again from West Side. I really like these. ये मैं अपने लिए भी खरीदूंगी. अभी नहीं, बाद में. In a different color. She also bought these jeans. मुझे कलर बहुत अच्छा लगा है इसका. Yeah, this is everything she got for herself. इससे ज़्यादा उसने कुछ नहीं खरीदा. Now अब मेरी बारी है. मैंने अपने लिए खरीदी है ये ड्रेस for my event of course जो मैं लेने गई थी. Actually my plan was to buy a dress from Forever New, but मुझे H&M में पसंद आ गई तो मैंने यही खरीद ली. You guys will have to wait for me to style it. अभी इतनी अच्छी नहीं लग रही है, but मैंने पहन कर देखी थी, मुझे बहुत अच्छी लग रही थी, तो अब देखते हैं कैसी लगेगी. I also bought these heels for myself for the dress. क्योंकि मेरे पास इस ड्रेस से मैचिंग के लिए कोई हील्स नहीं थी. आई मीन मेरे पे ये चेरी रेड हील्स थी जो मैं आज पहन कर गई, बट चेरी रेड के साथ चेरी रेड आई डोंट थिंक कि अच्छा लगेगा, तो इसलिए आई बॉट दीज न्यू हील्स फॉर माई सेल्फ. ऑफ वाइट है ये, पता नहीं कलर ठीक से दिख रहा है कि नहीं दिख रहा है. आई बॉट दीज शेड्स फॉर माई सेल्फ. मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि मेरे फेस पर ना कोई भी शेड्स सूट नहीं करते हैं, बट व्हेन आई ट्राइड दीज मुझे काफ़ी अच्छे लगे ये, तो मैंने सोचा फक इट मैन, लेट्स बाय देम. What do you guys think? कैसे लग रहे हैं ये मुझ पर? मैं इतराऊंगी अभी इन्हें पहनकर. जो भी शॉपिंग करी है वो सभी इस इवेंट के लिए करी है. अब आप लोगों को लग रहा होगा ऐसा क्या स्पेशल है ये इवेंट कि मैंने इतनी सारी शॉपिंग करी है. वेल यू गाइस विल सी, आपको पता चलेगा बाद में. आई बॉट दीज रिंग्स फॉर माई सेल्फ. बहुत टाइम बाद मैंने आर्टिफिशियल रिंग्स खरीदी हैं. आई ओनली वेयर माई गोल्ड रिंग्स क्योंकि मुझे ना बहुत ज़्यादा चुभने लगती हैं आर्टिफिशियल चीज़ें, ठीक है, तो इसलिए मुझे सूट भी नहीं करती, मुझे चुभने भी लगते हैं, तो इसलिए मैं पहनती नहीं हूँ, बट बहुत टाइम बाद मुझे ये पसंद आई तो मैंने खरीद ली. नेक्स्ट अप वी हैव दिस ब्रेसलेट. ये 2 का सेट है. अगेन इट्स चेरी रेड और ब्राउन टाइप ऑफ कलर. आई गॉट दिस फॉर माई ड्रेस. आई थिंक इट विल गो वेरी वेल विद माई ड्रेस. देन वी हैव दीज इयररिंग्स. जस्ट लुक एट देम, हाउ प्रिटी. मैंने एक और इयररिंग्स खरीदे थे, मुझे दिन नहीं रहे. ये these are heart shaped earrings. So yeah, that's all I got. Guess कितने का सामान आया होगा. I mean मुझे विश्वास नहीं हो रहा था जब मैंने बिल देखा कि यार मैंने इतने पैसे खर्च कर दिए आज, but that's just who I am. I support our economy. मुझे पसंद है इकोनॉमी सपोर्ट करना. अगर मैं नहीं खरीदूंगी तो और कौन खरीदेगा, राइट? और वैसे भी अब मैंने सोचा है कि मैं खुद के लिए ज़्यादा सामान नहीं खरीदूंगी. आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू सपोर्ट ओवर कंजम्पशन. बट आई कैन बाई स्टफ फॉर माई लव वंस, फॉर माई फैमिली. तो अब मैंने वो करना शुरू कर दिया. मैं दूसरों के लिए सामान खरीदती हूँ. ओके, दैट्स ऑल. बाय नाउ.
Okay, so that event in which I poured all my money and my efforts and my energy didn't even happen. It got cancelled. Yay! So this is the side of content creation that nobody talks about. Yes, there are many privileges. मैं खुद की मालिक हूँ. I work on my own terms. I get to travel for free. I get shitloads of money. बहुत ज़्यादा पैसा है इसमें. I get free books all the time. I get free stuff all the time. But there are some disadvantages too. It's unpredictable and it's uncertain. Content creation is fun, exciting, and fulfilling, but it's not stable, and stability matters. And speaking of stability, drum rolls please. I am starting my own business. Yay! Finally. And this isn't just a random decision. Like, I have been thinking about it for a very long time. It has always been my dream to start a business of my very own, and I cannot believe that it's finally going to happen. And yes, before the launch, I am going to organize a giveaway for you guys, because I really want to thank you for all the love and support. ये आप सभी के बिना शायद कभी मुमकिन होता ही नहीं. अगर आप सभी ना होते तो ये बिजनेस भी ना होता. And I cannot believe that I am going to be a business owner. I know it's going to be hard for me to juggle between my studies, my content creation, and my business, but I am so ready for it. So yeah, do let me know in the comment section, like, what do you think this business is going to be about, and what are your expectations from me. So that's it for today. Thank you for your love and for your support. I cannot wait to share more about this little dream of mine with you guys, and stay tuned for more. And do let me know if you have any questions regarding my business in the comment section below. Bye.